Welcome back to my channel Akshatha's Vibe. Let's learn it my way. So today we are going to see how to make a mobile pouch. But before seeing what are the things that we need, like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button. So let's see what are the things that we need.
Foam sheet, paint, crystals and pearls, thread, stones, Velcro, glue, scissors, brush, pencil and scale.
So let's get started. So first take a foam sheet and cut it into the size according to your mobile. So this is the size of my mobile. Now we have finished cutting this. Now we have to draw and paint a design on this. I am going to draw a zigzag design on this. Now I have finished drawing the design. So let's paint it. Here I have used two different colors of blue, golden, bronze and white. So let's paint it now. Now I have finished painting and it has dried. Now to make it look more beautiful, let's add stones. I have finished sticking the stones. Now let's stick it together so that it looks like a pouch. Allow it to dry completely. It has dried. Keep it aside. Here I have taken a piece of foam sheet and painted it in golden color. Take a part of Velcro and stick it. I have finished sticking it. Stick the other part to the pouch. Allow it to dry. Stick the other side of the golden strip to the back of the pouch so that you can close it easily. Now our pouch is almost ready. Let's make something to make it easier to carry. Here I have made a hole to put the string in it. Take the string and add some crystals and pearls to it. Now we have finished putting the crystals and the pearls in the string. Now put the string through the hole and tie it. Our mobile pouch is ready. Let's put the mobile inside. So if you like this video, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Akshatha's World. Until next time, it's bye from Akshatha.